is a blind man that are selling, you know. So how you for give people where hearty, where walk and beg you? Why you would want to give them things? It's a blind man that in the road while like selling to people. One blind man. So how when people with strong and hearty come to you and beg you, you feel obligated to give them, eh? And it's a blind man that try to help himself. Yo, someone only need for go and go look at work, you know, man.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
Go on, people, you but they are 876 by birth as usual, as you heard in the intro. Alright, and as you seen at the title, you already know where we're headed, right? Yeah. So currently we're there on Marchpen Road in a Spanish town. Yeah. And we're gonna make our way, we're go up on the highway. You see me? Yeah, we have to take it highway. I contemplate if we take the whole road or the highway, but I take the highway because, you know, when we come off for the highway, the destination are going to get closer to me. Alright, so that we are going to do right now, you see me? So here my peeps. They're in the heart of Spanish town right now, people. Yeah. In the heart of Spain. Site. Yeah, I'm on the heart of Spain right now, my people. You see me? So how you do? What go on? And taxi man a be disgusting as usual. You know taxi man stay already like a feed them road. Yeah, them people are walk out in the road as usual. Yeah, mum people. So what go on? How you do? Well, here what go on now. It's been a rainy day. Well, it's been raining for like the past couple of weeks or so in Jamaica, yeah. You see me? Yeah, my rain batter the place as you know the whole thing. You know, maybe have Hurricane Ian, even though it not come at Jamaica here, but you know, say we get little of the outer bands, you know, so little rain and them little thing they did that, you know, yeah, we get some rain and things. What if I rain to people? What if I rain? It come like it a rain everywhere. On that side of the world, like you don't know Florida, oh my God, yo, for them thing, you see me? People, some people up in New York I tell me say, yo, it the rain up for them place. People as far as Canada, Rica, yeah man, when the time Rica tell me say, yo, rain a wash our way up so, in Canada there, you see me? So yeah man, I'll big up on yourself people, you see me? And this is the taxi man there and I may be disgusting too again. Probably not, I'm not sure. But yeah, mama people, I'm there in the heart of Spanish town right now. Yeah, man. I'm there in a little traffic. You see me? Yeah. we are make a way. We are going to take on the toll from the Angels. We are going to go on it to Angels. You see me? Yeah. So that's what me when you bike people. Me not like it. I want to not make no bag of nice still. Where some of them are be nice. Alright, now I'm telling the people the place is hot. I know, yo. It's like somebody put Jamaica in his sun to stand up. You know, when they tell the people them, so stand up over there, so go out in the sun, go stand up or whatever. Yeah, man. It's like somebody put Jamaica in his sun to stand up, my people. So yeah, right now we are still in a Spain town. I'm going to go here towards Angels. So people, how you do? Yo, right now I just want to take some time out to shout out my new subscriber them. Yeah man, I have a whole heap of new people over here, man. People from all walks of life, you know? Yeah. People is a blind man that are selling, you know? So how you for give people where hearty, where walk and beg you? Why you would want to give them things? It's a blind man that in the road while I got selling to people. Or a blind man. So how when people with strong and hearty come to you and beg you, you feel obligated to give them, eh? And it's a blind man that I try to help himself. Yo, someone need to go and go look at work, you know, man. You understand? Yeah. Find something and do. Or do YouTube, look how it's easy. Yeah, it's a blind man that I sell people. But yeah, my peeps. Whole heap of new subs there over here. Whole heap of new subs. You know, I just want to say, yo, I'm grateful for the support. Give thanks, you don't know a thing go. Yeah man, give thanks man, don't know a thing go man, I appreciate you man. Welcome to the family, you understand, yeah? And in case you never know, I love chat, me chat. And me drive. You see me? Yeah man, but I appreciate you know, my whole heap of new people and they've been commenting as well too, and so big up on yourself, you know? And big up the shy people too. You have some people where them always are watching and them subscribe for a long time, you know, and them never yet comment, but beat them up. What do you somebody reach out to me what do you and tell me say yo a long time them subscribe and they just like a comment, but I don't remember it's a female. Oh my gosh. I don't remember. But can't remember her name right now, people. God knows. Guys, trust me, like a whole heap of comment and you know me always I respond people, so enough people. You see me? Yeah. Oh, and just in case you need to try to figure it out, the road we just turn off for Cumberland Road. A Cumberland Road we just turn off for people, you see me? Yeah. Alright, now we're up on the Brunswick. Yeah, in a Spanish town same way as me say. You see me? Yeah man, we are making wake up at Angels. Up on the highway up there so and head towards Jacksal. Yes site. Yeah. Yeah one people so right now I like what go on in terms of people. You see how Taximan drive? I like what go on in terms of with the channel right now and the support me I get. Yo, I can't stop saying I appreciate it. I shouldn't know how good I feel. Really appreciate it, man. I feel good, yeah. Stand. Yeah, man. When you make me feel good, man. Big man thing, you see me? Yeah. You really make me feel good. You see me, I say? Yeah. So I just want to say, yo, big up on yourself, yo. Honestly, big up on yourself. My regulars, them whoever comment, regular them whoever watch a video, them big up on yourself. And the new people, them can't stop saying, so yo, big up, welcome, 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 welcome. You understand? Yeah. I have a look smooth in my car, but I look feet and can't find the car. I think I put it on the back seat, but I have no background there. Hold on, yeah, I think I find it. Alright. No worries. Found the smoothie. Yeah, people. Found it. People, I'm not like to know, yo, today is a hot day, like outside is hot, honestly, and it's just after midday right now, but it's super hot. Hey Siri, what is the temperature?
It's about 91 degrees outside.
Hear that, people? 91 degrees. It's hot, yo. I remember them have that little thing there where it tell us say that degree there, but it feels like, you know, a different temperature. So can tell us say a 91, but it's actually hotter, like it feel hotter. You get me? Yeah. People, it has say it feel like 97, so I just check it on my phone. So it has say it feel like 97, so 3 degrees shy of 100. And no 100 a boiling point. It's steaming out here, people. I tell you, Jamaica temperature turn up right now. I nah lie to you. No. Temperature buck, my peeps. Buck. Pick up your slippers. So the baby slippers drop off a while ago, but you never see. No, that thing they go when you walk with the kids them though. Yeah. Lift up the baby and the slippers drop off. Hey people, so basically they're in the Angels community now, or we're approaching the Angels communities right now. You know, more than one scheme there up here, so you have Angel Estate. Also the Angel this, Angel that. You know, more than one community. But the whole area named Angel Seaside, welcome to Angels. So yeah people, so as I say, we make away and thing. See a lot of people commenting, I say they want me to go a little bit slower. So, you know, I'm gonna try to slow down a little bit more. You know what that mean, right? You know the video them a go longer. Like you know, see all the LiQWYD them a go longer now, cause we are gonna go a little bit slower, alright? So yeah. I hope whoever said to go a little bit slower, I hope you watch the entire video, you know, with yeah, so if the video would have been like an hour and a half, you know, it might be like an hour and 50 minutes or so. You understand? So yeah. And taste is the up here, so but I not stop right now, people. And plus, I don't feel no party. I mean, I'm going to make a smoothie, so you know, I can go and work my thing and do my thing, you know. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good, my people. Alright, so this is actually the entrance for hop on the highway, and that's where we're gonna go.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.